I have no idea what today has in store. Right now I'm at McCormick Hospital. Another sun, another beautiful morning in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Welcome to day number 6 of Sober Vlogtober. Yeah, I was happy with yesterday's video. It was fun doing that. My girlfriend was very understanding about me shooting video. Actually, last night we went to Big C, which is like Walmart. I bought some shorts, and we went to Duke's, and I had something healthy, some healthy food, and I'm eating it for breakfast right now. Cold pizza and coffee with almond milk. It looked better last night. It's seen better days. It's not looking too great right now, but it tastes pretty darn good, and it goes down well with the coffee. So, you know, let me get back to my breakfast. We'll chat later. I need to take my girlfriend to the bus. You know, let's just opening. So in a little bit I'm gonna go and get my girlfriend. We'll have some breakfast. I have no idea what today has in store. For sure I'll show something at the bus station. Might just be me walking away from the bus station saying I just dropped my girlfriend off at the bus station. Actually, that's a pretty good shot. Let me finish this pizza. It's cold and I don't want it to get warm. Let me finish my coffee. It's hot and I don't want it to get cold. Waiting for the bus. My girlfriend's going back home. Buy my ticket because next week I am going to Phrae. Right now I'm at McCormick Hospital. I have bum feet. So a couple of weeks ago I got an MRI done on my right foot. I'm seeing a foot doctor. He sent me to McCormick to get an MRI, so I'm here to pick up the disc. And maybe next week I'll go and see the foot doctor. Oh, how much is an MRI in Thailand, in Chiang Mai? I paid 8,000 baht, so it wasn't real cheap. Alright, I got the CD. Hopefully on the CD, not only is my MRI, but maybe the movie Joker. That'd be awesome. I'm near the city, so I'm gonna stop by, visit my friend Tome Kon, and then head home. I gotta edit this video. Is that a sling blade? Is that a sling blade? Some people call it a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade. Wow. Tome, Tamai, nakua. Tamai. Alright, Tome, I'm gonna go over here. I don't like where things are heading. Yep. Yeah, my fine Mamie cup. The things you see. Tome Kon's over there watching some of my videos right now from Sober Vlogtober. Watching my video is kind of a loose statement. Alright, well I'm gonna sit here and sip on my sody pop for a little bit. Visit with Tome Kon. Kind of a lazy day besides him coming up to me with a saw. Besides that, it's just, you know, kind of a boring day. I think there's like a ghost or something. Someone's always undoing my zipper. I keep on zipping it up. It always ends back down. Alright, I'm pointing the camera at my crotch right now. I think it's time to end this one. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna start raining. I need to go home and edit. Yeah. Boy. Can't get stuck here. Look at that. It's like the beginning of Wizard of Oz. Oh boy. Oh, my motorbike doesn't. Whoa. Yeah, there's a storm coming. Probably can't hear me because of the wind and the mic. Ooh. I need to get home. Holy cow. It hasn't started raining yet, so hopefully I can make it. I'm like 15-20 minutes away from home. Damn, I didn't make it home. Crazy bad wind, so I just pulled over. Do this. Probably like 10 minutes from home. Holy cow. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Damn, I should have pulled my... I'm gonna bring my motorbike in. Damn it. Why did I do that? Oh, yeah. I probably should have just stayed by my friend. I didn't know, because sometimes you have like a couple minutes, or a couple minutes, you usually have like 20-30 minutes, so I thought I had enough time. Oh well, damn it. Okay, the rain is letting up. Kind of. So, you know, I'm gonna head home soon. So I'm gonna have this be the sign off. Please comment below. I hope you can hear what I'm saying. Please comment below. I'd like to hear about rainy season in your country, or what you like doing on a Sunday, or just anything. If you're not subscribed, you like content like this, please subscribe. If you're subscribed, click that bell for notifications. We got 25 more videos coming. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Please remember this, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.